How to calculate center of mass easy guide. Most people get this wrong, but calculating the center of mass is easier than it looks. You won't believe how simple it can be for objects of any shape. First, understand the concept. The center of mass is the point where an object's mass is evenly balanced. For uniform objects, it's usually at the geometric center. For simple shapes, like a rectangle or sphere, use symmetry. The center of mass is at the midpoint along each axis. For example, a rectangular plank has its center of mass at half its length and width. For irregular shapes, divide the object into smaller parts. Calculate the mass of each part and determine its individual center. Then, use the formula Mac me xi me, ik me ye me. Here, me is the mass and xi, ye are coordinates of each part. For December 18th, 2025 objects, include the z-coordinate xi. Add up all weighted positions and divide by total mass to find the center of mass. Finally, visualize or mark the point. For physical objects, balancing at this point confirms your calculation. In engineering, physics, or design, this helps predict stability and motion. In conclusion, calculating the center of mass involves understanding symmetry, dividing irregular objects, applying weighted averages, and visualizing the balance point. With this method, any object's center of mass can be determined efficiently.